Good morning, Philippines!
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Sunday. Ako guys, nagdidilig ako ng halaman. Alala nyo to? Kay Biyanan ito. I think magsi 7 years na ito sa kanya. Mother's Day gift ito ni Tami sa kanya. Dito pa rin, buhay pa rin kasama namin. Nakakaano lang. Anyway guys, this morning ba, hindi ko mapigilan, 5 o'clock ba, nakahiga ako sa kama. And naalala ko si Biyanan. Kasi kasi yung bed ba, yung bed na ginamit namin, kanya yun ba? Sa kanya yun. And ako na, oh my god, na gustong-gusto niya yung bed na yan. And yung sister-in-law ko din, sabi pa niya, nung araw na, yung Friday, doon siya natulog sa bed ni Biyanan doon sa bahay nila. Anyway guys, good morning sa inyo. And ano andito? Sabi pa, mag-snow daw. And then ngayon, nag-change. Akala namin sobrang aga. Ngayon, 10 o'clock daw in the morning, may snow daw at saka ulan mix. So yun. Kumain na ako ng bread. Si Tami kumain ito, fruits. Ito siya. Sobrang sarap niya guys. Hindi pala niya ito kinuklose. Sobrang sarap niya guys. Fresh daw ito. Walang ina-add na kahit anik-anik. Ito siya. So ilagay ko lang ito balik sa refrigerator. Nakipag-usap si Tami sa kapitbahay doon. Anigarilyo. Anyway, I'm going to collect some video of Biyanan. I'm gonna make a video of Biyanan. You know, a video to compile video for Biyanan. So yun guys, it's 8:41 na ng so ulan daw mamaya. Let's see. So this is what Tami does guys. The TV is for Hubs. He play birds for cat, and Hubs is in the couch. Cabbage. He doesn't like cabbage, but he end up. Hello, I think I finished the carrots, my love. Huh?
Did you have a sandwich for lunch?
You can make your own sandwich, and if you cannot wait for this because this is gonna be a while, make a sandwich to eat.
He's going to tell me the type of rice you extracted.
What the heck? It never moved. Oh my god. And guys, it is raining ice. It was ice.
Oh, why am I letting the thing go out? It's unplugged.
That's always a problem over there.
All night long, you can do it.
I thought it's gonna be stormy, hon.
Let's talk, yeah, huh?
You think?
It's just the beginning. They're not easing up on their prediction.
And hopefully, this storm they're talking about, it's not gonna move different day because it's
Well, that's the problem.
problem. Hoping not to. Cooking Tammy's favorite cabbage. I don't know how American make cabbage, how they do it, but what's my thing? You can move my thing a little bit over there, move. But I don't know how they make it, so.
Boiled.
Boiled?
Boiled.
Ah, no. Boiled only?
Not American, it's an Irish dish.
Ah, Irish. You boiled it? That's it?
Right.
Yeah. He's doing his thing.
Really still.
That's a really, really heavy one.
Yeah.
It's not the kind of bread for sandwich.
I don't have good bread up here. You already know that.
In New Rochelle, they always have a good one, you know. ShopRite. But ShopRite here is not.
Because it comes from the Bronx.
That's the difference. Brown bread is this.
You got carrots in here.
Which one? That's a small one. I don't want those carrots.
The two carrots.
You see?
Baby babies in these.
Can you take that big one? Not so big, the
I don't care. I'm just telling you. Yeah.
ito guys, itong asawa ko guys. Hindi mo makikitang umiyak. Yung nakita ko lang siyang umiyak nung sa pusa niyang nawala. Pero itong sa mga tao na mahal niya, tinatago niya. Mag-isa siya. Malalaman ko kasi yung mata niya is pula. And then ihahag ko na lang pag makita kung gano'n. Ganyan sila eh. Pati yung mga kapatid niya, umiyak sila, patago. Kapag naiyak na sila sa harapan ng tao, alis agad. Did you use the knife? Hala! Okay, use only one. I thought you were gonna use everything.
I use a piece of one. It was a half.
No, just kidding. I thought you used that 3 of them. Tapos na akong nag-cut ng mga gulay. So ngayon, garlic na naman tayo at onion. And mag-pork adobo din. Hala! Hala, Han, can you look, Han? You look at the ground, Han. How many birds in there? The storm is coming. That means they are sensing it, Han. Oh, hala, my God, ang bird. Hala, ang dami. Dami, I got no reaction because he is so busy giving junk to the kids.
Junk. Roast beef is not junk.
Han, can you just stop it now, please? Stop it now. No dinner for these kids. Can I eat it? Hala! No.
Do not touch that.
Naku, pagkagahig ulo because may hakin na. You wanna use this thing? I'll wash this first. This one is nicer to cut the... That's very good. Hala, the snowflake is ang laki. Hala, Han, ice and big snowflake. Hala, guys. Ice yan, guys. And then, merong lumilipad na. Hala, this is not snowflake, Han. This is ice. Huh? It's snowflake? So huge. I don't know, you guys, if you can see it. Let me focus this.
It was ice to be coming down a lot faster than I would have kept. It was light. You know, it was fall heavier than that, but it's ice.
Yeah. I-brown ko lang to, guys. And then, may fats man ito. So, yung fat na lang magligas. Hindi siya maraming fats. Meron siyang konti. Pero, nilagyan ko siya ng konting oil para ano talaga siya maluto.
Actually, you apply those points, you try and do that now.
Yeah. Hi guys, Tommy wants to know how I cook this cabbage because he wanna do it himself soon, and I know if he's going to do it, every seasoning will be poured in it, so it's not gonna be the same.
Never is. Always better.
So you're always better what you do.
Always. That's how it works, guys.
So mine is not better, yours is better one day. Okay guys, nagluluto ako ng adobo, pork adobo, tomato, you know, na ano ko kasi na parang, ang sarap ng tomato, sarap ng adobo pag may tomato, kaya yun. Oh, it's snow, nice guys. Look at that. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo yung langit. Hindi nyo kita, pero dito. Oh, ice, guys. Ice. May ice dito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo, ha? Ang ganda ng snow. Look. It's cold out there, honey.
Yeah.
And even there's no snow, but every time I step on the front porch, okay, there's ice over there. Pork, adobo ko, look, andyan. Maano yan siya, sobrang tender yan. Bent natin kasi nag-slow down yung snow. Pork adobo ko pala, guys. Nilagyan ko na siya ng sugar kasi masarap siya pag may sugar. Binibisi niya yung sarili niya, guys, para hindi niya sobrang nakakalungkot ang buhay. Bisi-bisihan lang.
So what happened? Maybe we've had this backwards all along. The fight didn't start.
You want me to hold it?
You are the fight begins downstairs.
No, these two, you may have just forgotten to buy Katie with.
This would have caused identical brain fractures.
Hi, guys. The beer without Santa Claus? It is almost 5 o'clock. Initin ko lang ito para sa dinner namin mamaya. Yan, dyan. Initin natin ito. Adobo. Pork adobo. Anyway, and gabi na, guys. Look. Anyway, ngayon pala, guys, is ang ingay ng TV. Ngayon pala is December 1. Hindi na ako na vlogmas kasi I always upload everyday, diba? So, everyday naman ako nag-upload, parang vlogmas na rin. Wala na kasing time na pa ako ng mga yung mga intro. Katulad lang yan sa vlogmas kasi everyday naman tayo So, nakapag-vlogmas naman ako noon. Hindi namin maano si Bianan kasi nasa kahapon, ang ingay naman itong TV. Uy! Dito tayo, magtago tayo sa laundry area. Anyway, so, kahapon kasi, si Bianan andun sa hospital pa, sa morgue sa hospital. And, kaya inano namin, inasikaso namin kahapon, yung funeral home, para makuha agad si Bianan, para maasikaso nila, ganon. So, I think nakuha nila kahapon late na. Pero I think nakuha nila yung katawan ni Bianan, and then asikasuhin na lang nila doon sa funeral. And also, hindi namin siya makikita kasi hindi kami, ang is bad weather nga, diba? Nag-snow, may ice pa kanina, and yun. So, kaya andito kami sa bahay. Kaya hindi kayo magtataka na bakit andito kami sa bahay, hindi namin pinupuntahan si Bianan, pero maganda naman yung lagay niya doon sa funeral, inalagaan yung katawan niya, inaasikaso nila, saka doon na rin yung damit ni Bianan. And so sa Wednesday na lang namin puntahan si Bianan. May mga tao ding makarating galing sa ibang state, ganon, mga apo, mga pamangkin niya, and yun, mga kakilala niya. And yun lang siya, guys. And kaya hindi kami talaga makapunta po. Pero sana Wednesday, maaga kami para makita namin si Bianan. And then another maaga naman sa Thursday. So yan. Anyway. So, sige na, dito na tayo. Balik tayo sa kitchen. And yun. I-close ko nga itong window blinds sa bedroom. Baby! We're gonna eat soon. I'll feed the kids.
I haven't felt this good in a long time.
Get yours now at Advanced Back Pro. It's a little early for us, but
Ulam namin, guys, paborito ni Tami. Naging paborito niya cabbage with pork and with other vegetables. At ito naman yung paborito din niya na ayaw kong pagkainin today kasi likay tayo tomorrow ito guys, para ito bukas. Niluluto ko siya, adobo with tomato. Pero yung tomato nawala na siya, pang patenderizer lang talaga yun. Oh my god. Hala guys. Ice naman ron guys. Ice guys. Umulan na ng ice. Patay. Ice na. Rinig ninyo yan? Ice yan guys. Ice na guys, ginoo ko. Umulan na ng ice rocks. Nag-ice na sa labas, bebe. Umulan na ng ice. Hala ka diha. Nanonood si Tami ng ano guys, ng movie about Santa Claus. Mga pangbata pa naman. Pangbata. Anyway guys, i-in ko na tong vlog. And yeah, i-in ko na to dito. And thank you all guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, tapos na kaming kumain. Busog na busog kami. Gustong-gusto ni Tami yung gulay. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope guys I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night.